In this video, you'll learn how to make money using discounted gift cards on eBay. This guide will walk you through the essential steps from obtaining legitimate gift cards to tracking your savings effectively. Start by purchasing discounted gift cards only from reputable marketplaces or well-known resale platforms. This ensures the cards are valid and legally sourced. Before committing to a purchase, verify the seller's ratings, reviews, and transaction history. This precaution helps you avoid invalid or already used balances. It is also advisable to check the card balance immediately after purchase to confirm it matches the advertised value. Keeping proof of purchase or receipt is important in case there is any issue with redemption. Be cautious of deals that seem unrealistically cheap, as they often indicate potential risks of fraud. Using verified sources protects your funds and prevents payment failures. Once you've acquired your discounted gift cards, the next step is to apply them at checkout. Start by adding your desired item to the cart and proceed to checkout as you normally would. If the platform supports it, select gift card as the payment method. Alternatively, you can redeem the card into your account balance beforehand. Carefully enter the card code to avoid any typing errors, as this could block the transaction. Confirm that the balance covers the full amount of your purchase, or be prepared to pay the remaining portion using another payment method. Before finalizing the payment, review your shipping address and order details. Completing the checkout process correctly ensures that your order is processed without delay. Tracking your usage and savings is crucial for maximizing the benefits of discounted gift cards. Record each gift card's purchase value alongside the actual spending amount. This will help you keep track of how much you saved. Additionally, monitor your order confirmation to ensure that payment was successfully applied. If the card was not fully used, keep a documented record of any remaining balances to avoid forgetting about them. Comparing savings from discounted cards against regular payment methods will allow you to measure the real benefit. Store any unused cards securely to prevent codes from being lost or exposed. Organized tracking helps you maximize the value from your discounted gift cards over time. By following these steps, you can effectively use discounted gift cards to save money on eBay. This approach not only offers savings, but can also lead to potential profits if you manage your purchases wisely. Always keep a close eye on the sources from which you buy these cards to ensure their legitimacy. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.